Hey there, trying to pick the perfect tool for your team in 2025? Today we're comparing ClickUp and Airtable to help you decide which one's better for you. Let's dive in. First, ClickUp. It's an all-in-one project management tool that's great for teams who want everything in one place. You get tasks, docs, time tracking, and even chat features. It's super customizable with views like Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and calendars. ClickUp's free forever plan is generous, and its automation makes repetitive tasks a breeze. Perfect for teams juggling complex projects or needing real-time collaboration. Now Airtable. Think of it as a spreadsheet with superpowers. It's a mix of database and project management tool, ideal for organizing data. You can create custom fields, link tasks, and switch between views like grids or galleries. Airtable shines for data-heavy workflows like managing inventories or marketing campaigns, but its collaboration tools are simpler and advanced features often need the pricey enterprise plan. So how do they stack up? ClickUp is better for teams needing strong collaboration, time tracking, and tons of features in one tool. Airtable is awesome for data-driven teams who loves flexible visual organization. So which is better? If your team needs a powerful, all-in-one tool with great collaboration, go with ClickUp. If you're focused on organizing data with a clean visual setup, Airtable's your pick. Try their free plans to see what fits. That's it for today. Let us know in the comments which tool you're leaning toward. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.